store represents the Brown Jug brand and how we involve Brown Jug into the community. To have a brand new building that's done this nice, we're really excited about it, and we've met a lot of good neighbors, and we're happy to be part of the community here in Muldoon.
I want to say it's wonderful when a company invests in Muldoon in particular, and I look forward to Brown Jug being a responsible neighbor. I know that they will be. I know that they'll work hard for the neighborhood, and I know that we will appreciate having this new location. So thank you so much.
1, 2.